What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Daniel Bartholomew, and I will be your professor for Sociology 1301, Introduction to Sociology. I am super jazzed to share my passion for sociology with all of you. I care tremendously about teaching sociology, and I hope you are all ready to think outside of the box and engage in my unique and sometimes unconventional approach to college teaching this semester. I'm really looking forward to watching you all develop your sociological imaginations and learn what sociology is all about. I wanted to send out a quick message to fill you in on a few important things about our course before the semester begins. First thing first, there is no textbook for you to purchase. I believe college education in the US is too expensive already, so I do not want to add to your financial burden. So we will be using a free online textbook for this course, and I will talk more about this during our first class meeting. Since this is a blended course, you will complete some of your work for this course online, and some of it will be completed in class. So due to the classroom size limitations resulting from COVID-19, you will only come to class on Tuesday or Thursday each week, not both. Please read this email to determine if your class meeting day is either Tuesday or Thursday. You are not allowed to choose which day you attend class. Students who are assigned to Tuesday will only attend class in person on Tuesday for the entire semester, and similarly, students who are assigned to class on Thursday will only attend class in person on Thursdays for the entire semester. And again, this is just due to social distancing requirements in the classrooms. We don't have enough seats for everyone, so it's really important that you only attend class on your scheduled day. When you attend class, you must wear a CDC-approved mask at all times, so this means no eating or drinking during class, so please plan accordingly with your schedules. Lastly, our Blackboard course website is now up and running. There's no need to check it out before your first class meeting, but it is available to you if you want to. You have no assignments due the first week of class. I don't like to rush into things, so we're going to take it easy and be sure that everyone understands the course structure and the course expectations before we dive into the good stuff. So that's it for now. Feel free to email me at this address if you have any questions or concerns. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday or Thursday this week. We'll talk soon.